This segment is sponsored by Mint Financial Group.
During the lifetime of a business, you're probably going to seek out cash to help with some growth or to keep it running through a rough patch. But Perry Jeffries III, the eCFO, says you need to start somewhere else. So he's here to tell us exactly where to start with this segment, Financially Fit Friday. Good to see you, sir.
Likewise.
First, I can't go any longer. Can you hold your feet up? Look at the sock game. Sock game super strong. Last time he was here, he had a bow tie. Now he's got the socks.
Strong socks.
Man, you make me feel good on a Friday.
I appreciate
So let's
that.
talk about this because, you know, my wife just started the business, a dance studio, and the first thing I think of when starting a business is you need money to start. But you're saying that's not always the case.
Yeah. So here recently, I had the opportunity to be a brand ambassador for Daymond John from the Shark Tank.
Oh, no way.
Yeah, and it was really a great experience. And what we learned and what he shared with us several times was what entrepreneurs or small businesses need access to is financial intelligence versus capital.
That's good.
Because understanding, you may get the capital, but if you don't have that financial intelligence in place and understanding your numbers, you may mismanage that capital in such a major way. So understanding your business and the numbers and really diving in deep into the financial intelligence is really key for entrepreneurs and small businesses.
And those numbers come into play when it comes to a loan.
Absolutely.
And a lot of times you could get a bad loan. What are some of those consequences if you're stuck in something like that, thinking at first, oh, I'm getting this money, but the details don't always go your way?
Absolutely. So a bad loan can easily bankrupt a business. But also too, a good loan mismanaged can put the business in harm's way as well. So really understanding what the purpose of that loan is super important. So one of the things that I kind of share with our clients is if you're going to take on a loan, which is a debt, we want to make sure that it's an investment. And with an investment, that means you're going to get some type of a return on that investment. So whether you're going to increase your cash flow or be able to expand your business or hire, we want to make sure that we're understanding why we're taking on that loan.
That's so good. And to make it even better, you've partnered with a financial group to help people out there. Talk about that.
Yeah, absolutely. So I've had the opportunity to partner with Mint Financial Group. And what we're able to do is Mint Financial has a huge portfolio of loans. And so we have loans for different needs, right? But more importantly, we sit down and we use more of a consultative strategy to really help guide our clients to what type of loan they should get into. And even if they don't qualify for that best fixed rate loan that they're looking for and they get a loan that maybe doesn't have the best interest rate, we give them the guidance and the counsel to make sure that they qualify in the future.
Wow, and not only on the business end, but you're all about helping personally too, correct?
Yeah, absolutely. So because we work with so many small businesses and entrepreneurs, they're kind of one and the same. Somebody's business and their personal are just intertwined.
Yeah, it's a passion.
It's a passion, right? So definitely we want to give them guidance not only with their business financials, but also too on the personal side, because we know ultimately that's what it comes down to is your family and whatnot.
That is so good. I see the passion in your face. And small businesses, I love where we live. It's a great place to start one, but you want to make sure you have the right information and a game plan. So for people watching, if they know someone, if they have a small business, what are the steps they need to take to contact you, and what do they need when they see you?
Yeah, absolutely. So they can contact me at perryjeffries.com. You can reach out to us there and message us on any type of social media. And then from there, we'll guide you along the way, because everybody's path is going to be different. So whether you need an expansion loan, whether you need retirement planning, whether you need whatever the case may be, we'll sit down with you and do a complimentary consultation and get you going in the right direction.
That is great. Is there a website they can go to for more information?
Yeah, absolutely. So they can go to perryjeffries.com, and then with our business partners, you can actually go to mintfinancialgroup.com/Columbus.
Perfect.
So what they've done is partner up with me to make sure that we provide crazy value to our Columbus residents.
That is awesome. Perry, thank you so much.